Hello and welcome to Cash Flow with Lil, the place where big dreams meet smart business moves. Today we'll talk about how to grow a business with just $100. Let's dive in. Do you have just $100 to your name? Good. That's enough to start something powerful. Because money doesn't start the business. You do. Let's be honest. Most people spend $100 without thinking. But today we're flipping the script. Let me show you 3 real businesses you can start right now with just that small amount. First up, the mini importation business. With $100, you can import 10-20 low-cost but high-demand products like phone accessories, kids' gadgets, or beauty items from websites like 1688.com or Alibaba. Use WhatsApp, Instagram, or Jumia to sell fast. Your profit? 100% or more per item. Buy for N1, 000, sell for N2, 500, rinse and repeat. Next, a home-based food prep or snacks business. Are you good in the kitchen? You can start making chin-chin, meat pie, zobo, or small chops. Package it cleanly, post it on WhatsApp status and Facebook groups. With $100, you buy ingredients, nylon, and simple branding. People love tasty and hygienic food. If it's good, they'll return. And finally, the phone accessories or POS business. You can buy and resell phone cases, power banks, chargers, or better yet, become a mobile POS agent. You'll need a small table, an umbrella, and a POS terminal. Start earning daily commissions from transfers and withdrawals. People are everywhere looking for where to do quick transactions. Don't say it's too small. Don't wait for a big break. The $100 you have today can build the freedom you dream of. Start where you are. Use what you have. Grow as you go. Because real entrepreneurs don't wait, they move. This is your time. Your $100 hustle starts today. Did this video help you? Then give us a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to Cash Flow with Lil for more business, finance, and money-making ideas. Whether you're starting with just $100, your journey starts now.